Guys, I am rocking the double denim today and I'm loving it, like totally loving it. This was an inspired outfit. Last night, I don't know, I was watching something and I was like, oh my god, actually I've got a really nice denim shirt and I was going to wear my Levi's today anyway, and I was like, you know what, I think the two of them together, let me try it out, and I absolutely love it. Now it's a question of, do I wear boots or do I wear trainers? I've got a few minutes to actually try a few different footwear out, so let me try some boots first and then I'll put some trainers on. This shirt is from Zara, by the way, if any of you guys are interested. It's not current season though, so it might be a case of getting on eBay and having a look to see if you can find it. And these are Levi's. I'm not sure exactly what style, but kind of like a faded mom style wash. Okay, so I'm not going to wear boots. I mean I love wearing boots because it gives me that little bit of height, and at 5'3" I definitely need it. But I think trainers today, because I'm quite tired and I do want to go to the gym tonight, and I know you're like, what's that got to do with me wearing trainers? But if I wear trainers then I'm just like speedy and I don't feel, I think when you wear trainers, when you wear boots or heeled shoes or whatever, it's a bit more exhausting on the legs. Obviously you're giving your legs a bit of a workout, and I'm planning to do a legs workout tonight, like a cardio, like a run or something. So let me go grab my trainers. I have got so many trainers to choose from, but I'm thinking I'm going to go for this kind of retro Reebok pair. Let's see what it looks like. I think the green will look quite cool in the blues of the outfit, so let's give that a go. Do you know what? I'm going to make my lips a little bit pinker. I'm not sure I'm loving that lip colour. Don't you just love it when you get ready and you've got actually a bit of time rather than running out the door, and you can actually, you know, just check yourself. They're quite matte actually, aren't they? Maybe I should put a bit of a gloss on them. This is the NYX Stockholm. I think that'll do, guys. Right, jacket on, and I'm going to head out the door. Hello my friends, straighten myself out. I was stretching in a meeting today and my boss was like, is everything okay, Nish? I was like, yep. He's like, are you just stretching? I was like, yep. I just sat back down really quickly because I thought I was in trouble. Anyway, right, I'm back, guys. So today has been a very interesting and great day at work. It was really productive, and my colleague who actually sits next to me, and she is a designer in our design team, offered to help me with the rebranding of my channel and help me with coming up with some new assets. I'm talking very business-like, actually coming up with new artwork for my banners and my opening dressing room diaries opening screen for this new series of videos. Super excited. Like, I can't wait to brief her on it. Like, we're going to treat it like kind of like a work project, and we're going to start, you know, coming up with some concepts and some ideas on what I want it to look like, the look and feel, and, you know, kind of like sums up what my channel is all about, like lifestyle and fashion and, you know, all the stuff that we talk about. So I'm really excited. That's really cool. I want to quickly show you a couple of things. I bought some sunnies. Now, I know it's not summer, but I'm always buying sunnies just because I really like sunnies, and they're really cheap. So let me show you. What do you guys think? Black frame, black rim. They were literally $2.99 off eBay. I really like them. Scratch the frame, just trying to take the goddamn sticker off. I don't even know why I'm taking so long to do all this, because right now I should be going to the gym, because I've told Ash that I'm going to walk to the gym, and then what I'm going to do, actually I'm going to run to the gym. I'm going to run to the gym, and then Ash is going to pick me up when he finishes work at 8:15. Right now it's nearly 7:15. Right, here you go. What do you guys think? Yay? Nay? I think they're nice. I like the shape. I think it suits my face with my sharp jaw. And then I got a Zara parcel. And I picked up a skirt, like a pleather type of midi skirt. And you guys might be wondering, like, what is this, your style, Nish Unleashed? Basically, it's this little garbage bag number. Yeah, and it was $39.99. And basically, I'm hoping it's gonna fit. I just had a look in my mind, like, I want to wear this skirt with an oversized kind of jumper and some boots, some chunky boots, and I don't know, let's see if it looks flattering or not. Otherwise I'll just have to return it, because I don't know if yeah, I don't know if this is quite my style. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Does it look good? Does it look like a bin bag? Does it look like... I think that's everything to tell you right now. I'm gonna get changed for the gym. I'll probably try this skirt on as well while I'm at it. Tomorrow I'm having the meeting with the Priyanka about the dissertation she's working on, so I'm really looking forward to that. That should be fun. And then just have a busy old day at work, and it's Friday, my favourite day of the week. Alright, I'm rambling, so let me go. Mwah!